Hi everybody, this is Diana from Sweet y Salado, and today we're going to make a basic recipe for arroz verde, which is basically green rice. And this is made in different countries of Latin America with different ingredients, but today we're going to make it with cilantro and spinach. And remember that the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below. So the first step is to place lots of spinach in a blender. We're also going to add cilantro and chicken broth. We're going to blend this really well. Once the spinach is blended well, we're going to add milk. You can use whole milk or coconut milk. Then we're going to season it with salt and pepper to taste. And then we're going to blend it one more time and set it aside. Now we're going to heat some oil in a medium-sized pot over medium-high heat. Then we're going to add white rice and we're going to stir for a few minutes until it starts turning golden brown. After this, we're going to add our spinach mixture very slowly and very carefully. And then if you want, you can add a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder. Now we're going to cover the pot, bring it to a boil over high heat, and cook it on low for about 20 minutes or until all the liquid has evaporated. Once it's done, we're going to remove it from the heat, fluff it with a fork, and then serve it. And that's your recipe for making a very basic arroz verde or green rice. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.